Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your Backblaze B2 account and enabling 2FA for safety. Next, create a bucket and pick public or private access, set lifecycle rules to control retention, and choose a folder path if needed. Generate an application key. You need the key ID and app key for tools and automation, so copy them immediately and store securely. Once done, make sure you note the bucket name and region. These are required for CLI, SDK, or S3-compatible clients to authenticate and locate your data. You then install the B2 command line tool or your preferred S3-compatible client and configure it with the key ID and app key. Run B2 authorize account to verify credentials, create any restricted keys for scripts, and test access by listing buckets. Upload using B2 upload file for single files or a sync tool for directories. Set chunk size and parallel threads to balance speed and memory. Once done, make sure to apply content type headers and optional server-side encryption, because these control how files are served and secured. You finish by automating uploads and retention, schedule cron jobs, configure backup software with your application key and bucket, and validate a dry run. Monitor usage metrics and set lifecycle rules or retention policies to delete or transition files automatically so costs stay predictable. Test restores regularly to confirm integrity and recovery time. If something goes wrong, rotate the app key immediately and check bucket permissions and logs. This usually resolves credential or permission issues and prevents accidental exposure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.